A Toyota RAV4 XLE HEV hybrid, the front driver's seat and or other seats. We have here is a leg extender. It comes with the instruction guide, a piece of foam, and it has a manual pump that you pump up for lumbar in the seat leg extender. As we open up the door, access to the back as well. We have hooks on the front that's stretchable, a zipper area that could be unzipped to show the foam that you could add the larger, taking out the smaller, or adding in both. Hooking up, we have straps and round hooks, and we could start to adjust by taking in a strap and more. We're going to lay over the front, hard to see, and hook over onto the plastic of the car. And the pump goes to the side over here. On the pump, it has the release valve, the pumping area, and a twist up and down. With the strap straightened out, push into the back of the seat, both straps, making sure there are no twists in the straps. We have here our pulls to tighten up the metal clip. Underneath we have here is elastic that is hooked. You're going to simply remove. Look for the plastic circle on both and reapply the cover when completed. The top strap, the cover over the metal protects, and seat this accordingly to your liking. You may tuck the strap in, bring it to the bottom out of the way. Once all is secured down, the two straps you sit on like so. This adds support to your legs so you can touch the brake and the gas with lumbar support that Toyota has left out. As the seat can be raised and lowered, as well as going down and up. You need that support. That's what the extender's for. The seat only goes down and up. It does not tilt up like other cars. The pump, as you pump, it adds more support and raises. For additional height, raise or lower your steering wheel. You have now completed your support, and the straps, they are there. The heater can be ran without putting a cover on. This is the way you are with additional lumbar support. We have a clip that you clip on to the side. This is not that bad. It sits in there, it doesn't move, it's locked in, and it's easy to get out. I don't love these straps being here. You can cut the seat, put them underneath, and then you just rip your seat entirely. There's no other way to hook that up but to have a strap on. It's a pretty good mod, if you ask me. Matches the car. They don't make it fabric, it's leather, but it matches black on black. Enjoy your product, and I hope you enjoy your car and the comfort with the seat. Thank you very much for viewing.